this video, I'm going to unbox this docking station for MacBook Pro Air by Gizmo. This is 8x USB-C hub docking station. So this docking station is specifically for MacBook Pro Air, and this is how the box looks like after I got it from the Amazon package. I can start this by opening the box and checking the package contents. Checking the package contents, it has a manual which has important instructions about the product, its compatibility, interface introduction, product features, Q&A, and then we have the original product as well. And it's pretty nicely secured within this cardboard package. Once I pull it out, this looks pretty decent. So it has two USB-C ports as well as this manual. So this docking station is specifically designed for 13-inch, 15-inch, 16-inch MacBook Pro 2021 till 2016. It also supports MacBook Air between 2018 to 2020. With this, you can convert your MacBook into 8 ports and can support once it's connected to your laptop, it can support up to 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB and 2 USB-C and 1 PD. This is definitely very useful because with newer MacBook Air you have pretty less number of ports. You also get stunning 4K video via this dual HDMI. The docking station uses HDMI port to enter mirror mode for macOS or extended mode and transfer vivid 4K Ultra HD at 60Hz, Full HD 1080p at 60Hz video with 3D effect from laptop screen to a monitor, projector, tablet, or even a HD TV. Also, these two HDMI ports can be used simultaneously, so you can use it as an output to two screens at the same time. Also, this MacBook docking station comes with two USB 3.0 ports. Their transfer speeds are respectively up to 5 Gbps and 480 Mbps. With two USB ports, you can connect smartphones, tablet, hard drives for effortless transfer using these USB-C ports. This dock station is compatible with smartphones, projectors, tablets, keyboards, monitors, laptops, card readers, and definitely a must-have if you have a MacBook computer. And this is how you can connect it with a MacBook machine. And that's it. Now your MacBook has 8 ports automatically. 2 HDMI, 2 USB-C, and 2 USB 3. And these slots for SD card reader and micro SD card reader. Thank you for watching the video.